Hello everyone, welcome back to IELTS Simplified. In today's video, I am going to discuss with you a new cue card that is describe something that you did with someone or a group of people. You should say what it was, who you did it with, how long it took you to do this, and explain why you did it together. So let's start with vocabulary and then we will discuss the sample answer and follow-up questions also with vocabulary. So please watch the full video and let's start the vocabulary. So our first word is memorable, which is an adjective meaning worth remembering, significant or special. Second is engaged in, participated in or became involved in an activity. Third word is knack for, a special talent or skill for something. You can use this word in another cue cards as well. So this is really good word, vocabulary word for higher band score. Logistics, the detailed organization and implementation of a complex operation. Natural leader, someone naturally good at guiding and inspiring others. Pooling our resources, combining efforts, money or resources to achieve a common goal. Exhausting, extremely tiring, draining of energy. Sense of accomplishment, pride or satisfaction after achieving something. Next word we have first hand, directly from personal experience or observation. Make a real difference, to have a significant positive impact. Next is strengthened our friendship, means made our relationships stronger. Next we have teamwork, the combined effort of a group to achieve a common goal. Next word is community service, voluntary work intended to help people in a particular area. So let's start the sample answer without any delay. One memorable activity I engaged in with a group of friends was organizing a charity event for a local community center. The event, which we named Give Back Day, involved collecting donations and setting up a free health camp for underprivileged families. I worked on this project with three close friends, each of whom brought a unique skill set to the table. One friend, who is a graphic designer, created the promotional material. Another, with a knack for organization, handled the logistics, and the last friend, who is natural leader, coordinated with the volunteers. I took on the role of managing the donations and ensuring that we met our fundraising goals. The entire process took about a month from start to finish. We met regularly to plan, assign tasks, and track our progress. The event itself was held on a sunny Sunday and lasted the whole day. It was exhausting, but the sense of accomplishment we all felt was well worth the effort. We decided to do this together because we all shared a strong desire to give back to our community. Each of us had witnessed firsthand how much support was needed, and we realized that by pooling our resources and efforts, we could make a real difference. The experience not only strengthened our friendships but also taught us the value of teamwork and community service. So let's start the follow-up questions and sample answers. How do you get along with your neighbors? I have a good relationship with my neighbors. We often greet each other in the mornings and have short and friendly conversation whenever we meet. Sometimes we even share a homemade dishes or help each other out with small tasks like watering plants. When someone is away, this friendly interaction creates a sense of community and trust. How do neighbors help each other? Neighbors can help each other in various ways, from lending a hand with household chores to providing emotional support during difficult times. For instance, during emergencies, neighbors can step in to assist, whether it is watching over children, lending tools, or even offering a ride to someone in need. This mutual support strengthens the bond within the community. Do you think neighbors help each other more often in the countryside than in the city? Yes, I believe that in the countryside, neighbors are more likely to help each other than in the city. In rural areas, people tend to have closer connections and rely on each other more, partly because services might not be as easily accessible. The slower pace of life and fewer distractions also mean that people have more time to interact and support one another. In contrast, city life can be more fast paced and individualistic, which sometimes limits these kinds of interactions. How do children learn to cooperate with each other? Children learn to cooperate with each other through various activities such as group play, sports, and school projects. These activities require them to communicate, share, and work together to achieve common goals. Additionally, children often model the behavior they observe in adults. So, when they see cooperation at home or in their community, they are likely to imitate it. Next, we have, do you think parents should teach children how to cooperate with others? Absolutely, parents play a crucial role in teaching children how to cooperate with others. They can start by encouraging their children to share toys and take turns during playtime. Parents can also involve children in family activities that require teamwork, such as cooking a meal together or organizing a family outing. By setting a positive example and guiding their children in these interactions, parents can instill the value of cooperation. Do you think it is important for children to learn about cooperation? Yes, it is very important for children to learn about cooperation. Cooperation is a key life skill that helps individuals work well with others, solve problems, and build strong relationships. Learning to cooperate at a young age prepares children for future social and professional situations where teamwork is essential. It also fosters empathy as children learn to consider others' perspectives and needs, which is crucial for overall development. Next, we have vocabulary and phrases that we used in follow-up question answers. First word is get along, have a friendly relationship with someone, sense of community, the feeling of belonging and mutual support within a group of people, lending a hand, helping someone with something, mutual support, assistance given between two or more people or groups, strengthens the bond, make relationships or connections stronger, rely on each other, depend on one another for support or help, model the behavior, show an example of behavior that others can imitate, install the value, teach or introduce a principle or idea to someone that it becomes a part of their character, key life skill, an essential ability that is important for managing life effectively, empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of another. So if you really like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and comment also in the comment section if you want me to make a video on another cue cards as well. Stay tuned and please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.